Hello, and welcome to NextGen AI 2050. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. For those who caught my previous video on how ChatGPT can help with essay writing and brainstorming, I hope you found it insightful. Today, we are shifting gears to something more exciting, setting personal goals with the help of ChatGPT. Whether it's about advancing in your career, enhancing your health, or cultivating new hobbies, setting clear goals is key to success. So, let's dive into how ChatGPT can streamline this process and help us achieve our aspirations. Setting personal goals is not just about dreaming big, it's about making those dreams achievable. However, knowing where to start or how to stay on track can be a challenge. That's where ChatGPT comes in. It's an AI tool that offers guidance and creative suggestions for setting and reaching your goals. Let's see how it can transform goal setting from a daunting task into an exciting journey. Let's begin by identifying some personal goals. I will ask ChatGPT for ideas based on our interests. ChatGPT, I am keen on health and fitness. Can you suggest some personal goals for me? Look at these suggestions. Some diverse and balanced goals you might consider. We have got a range of ideas from cardio workouts, running a half marathon to practicing yoga regularly. Now, let's choose one and plan it out. With a goal in mind, it's time to make it smart. That's where ChatGPT can really shine. Now, I will ask ChatGPT to make SMART goals starting a healthy meal plan. Can you help me turn starting a healthy meal plan into a SMART goal? Thanks to ChatGPT, we've turned a vague idea into something specific and actionable. First, we need to make our goal SMART, that's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. What does a healthy meal plan mean to you? A balance of macronutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and a rich variety of micronutrients is essential. This means every meal should be a colorful array of vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Now, how do we measure success? By planning our meals every week and tracking our daily adherence. This way, we can watch our progress and stay on track. Remember, start small. If you're new to this, begin by planning a few days at a time. Setting achievable steps is key to long-term success. Ensure your meal plan aligns with your overall health goals. Whether it's losing weight, gaining muscle, or just boosting your energy, your meals should reflect these objectives. Finally, set a time frame. Let's say, 1 month. This gives you a clear deadline and helps maintain your focus. So, our SMART goal is, I will plan and prepare my meals every Sunday for the upcoming week. Each meal will include a portion of vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. I will track my meal adherence daily and follow this plan consistently for 1 month to improve my overall health. Remember, friends, the journey to a healthier you starts with clear, achievable goals. Adjust your plan as you learn what works best for you. And don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on living a healthier, happier life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep striving for your best self. Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching.